Now let's solve this question together. Now we are given 5 raised to x plus 3 raised to x equals to 34. Okay, so solution. So 5 raised x plus 3 raised x equals 34. Now let's deal with the right hand side. Since the left hand side is in the form of a raised x plus b raised x, okay, and it should be equal to this plus that, whereby this one corresponds to this and this one corresponds to that. Okay, so from here we can write the 34 as 34 can be written as 25 plus 9. Now 9 plus 25 is 34. Now 25 can be expressed as 5 to the power something, and 9 too can be expressed as 3 to the power something. All right, so let's go ahead as we change this one to 25 plus 9. So 5 raised x plus 3 raised x is giving us 25 plus 9. And write it well. Therefore, by comparison, so this one corresponds to that, and this one also corresponds to that. So from here, we can see 5 raised x is 25, and 3 raised x is also 9. Now 5 raised x is the same as 5 squared. Therefore, x equals 2. And 3 raised to x equals 9. 3 raised to x is the same as 3 squared. So x equals 2. Now whichever way you get x equals 2. Okay, now let's verify if our answer is correct. Let's verify. So we have 5 raised to x plus 3 raised to x equals to 34. And we are saying that x equals 2. So let's plug in 2 here. 5 raised to 2 plus 3 raised to 2. 5 squared is 25. And 3 squared is 9. 25 plus 9 is 34. So we have that as 34. Alright, thanks for watching.